Biz 3 Advanced.
Please have mercy on me. Please have a little mercy on me.
What you gonna do? Slam doors, break a glass, maybe pass out on the kitchen floor with your naked ass? She still makes time to hate me, but basically I'm overbooked, no emotional vacancy. Complacency seems so simple, like let me be the one you fight and call Mr. Right. It's an addiction, bound to stick around, cause the junkie won't bounce till he hits the ground. These drugs ain't as good as we wish they were. This buzz doesn't keep us from missing her. That love that built all of this emphasis, built enough guilt to kill Electra and Oedipus. It's easier to leave it there. Each time I see your tears makes me need a beer to relieve the fear. I wanna keep a clear sky and fly away like a meteor out of here. Maybe next year I'll reappear. Say hey there, we don't play fair. You can't stay here, I hope you take care. I say hey there, we don't play fair. You can't stay here, I hope you take care. I say hey there, we don't play
Troubles
fair.
all around me,
Biz 3
day by
Advanced.
day. Troubles all around me, day by day.
Sometimes you make me feel like such a prick that even I'm convinced that I'm the one that's sick. You get fussing, you get cut your wrist, or you get choked on that blood from the tongue you bit. And when you acted up, best believe I blessed you back. I've got a fucking fan base that can attest to that. I'm returning this Bleeding Hearts Club membership card, cause I want no motherfucking part of it. We're just two dogs on all fours. It's a tug of war for who loves you more. Blame it on tours, or locked bathroom doors, or maybe it's cause my voice was louder than yours. And I'll be damned if I do this for forever. Everybody looking at me like I don't know better. Instead I gotta run if I'm ever gonna forget her, cause I've always been a go-getter. I say hey there, we don't play fair. You can't stay here, I hope you take care. I say hey there, we don't play fair. You can't stay here, I hope you take care. I say hey there, we don't play
Troubles all
fair.
around me, day by day. Troubles all around me, day by day.
And now I got a head full of better off dead. I followed down them steps and slept in the wrong bed. If I had a breath of self-respect left, I'd set fire to the box spring to help it catch wreck.